एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology YouTube channel. This is Sashwati and I'm here today with a very special video. Well, primarily it concerns the natives belonging to the zodiac sign Aries, as I will be disclosing the details of Aries horoscope 2021. So all the Aries natives out there, keep watching the whole video to find out if 2021 will be your year or not. So Aries horoscope 2021 as per Vedic astrology reveals predictions about your life along with its multiple aspects. The coming new year 2021 is going to be full of enthusiasm, opportunities and many new changes for Arians. Not only will you be able to fulfill your old impending tasks this year, but the stars will favor you as well. Employed natives will succeed in their endeavors and get favored by luck, which will help them gain momentum in their careers. You may also have to make many important decisions at this time. This is predicted by 2021 Aries horoscope, which is why you are required to remain stress-free before making any decisions. The business class may remain a bit disappointed this year since Shani or Saturn is going to make them work harder. Let us now move on to discuss the various aspects of your life in details. First and foremost, I'll be talking about your professional life. So in the field of your career, you will get good results. This is possible since Saturn will remain in the 10th house from your zodiac sign all throughout the year, and it will beneficially aspect you. In this case, the influence of Shani or Saturn on you will turn out to be great. You will be able to acquire better results than before due to the planetary placements and movements. You will succeed in performing better with the assistance of different people from different fields. You will get a chance to get in touch with foreign connections. Along with this, your colleagues will also support you. In order to increase your interaction with foreign sources and incur good profits, you are required to make continuous efforts. Now, if we talk about your financial life, then this year will be a little less favorable than normal. Several challenges will be incurred which can cause you problems. Initially, financial situations will remain weak. However, despite this, you will be seen working hard to improve your financial life and gradually making progress. The time from April until September will be good for you because during this period, Jupiter will be positioned in the 11th house of your zodiac sign, which will improve your financial condition and add to your income. Jupiter will also contribute to resolving many of your mental troubles at this point of time. Between September until November this year, there will be fluctuations in your economic conditions once again, which can lead to an increase in your mental stress. After this, a good time will start from you from December, because you will come across many opportunities to earn money. However, you are required to remain vigilant and careful while making use of those opportunities, as only then will you be able to benefit easily. The planetary transits taking place in the year 2021 also indicate that you can remain ill at this time, which will add to your expenses and you will feel financially strapped. In such a situation, get a good health policy before time runs out of your hands. If we talk about the academic life of students, Aries students, then they will remain at the receiving end of mixed results, because from the very beginning of this year, to be precise from January until March, many students will succeed in concentrating well in their studies. In this case, you need to keep working hard. Try and keep to yourself without paying much attention to your bad company. However, conditions after March, that is in April, will worsen and you will most likely face difficulties in understanding your subjects. You will fail to get yourself out of the chaotic environment in your personal life, due to which you won't be able to concentrate on your studies. The education horoscope also states that you will see a change in your life conditions in the month of May until July. If you are preparing for competitive exams, then November is the best time for that. At this time, Shani Dev will support your faith and lead you towards success. Mars will transit in your 6th house from September 6th until the 22nd of October. At this time, students will attain a lot of success. Also, Gurudev or the planet Jupiter present in your 11th house will also give you some favorable results. So, if you are planning to go abroad, then the auspicious aspect of Jupiter on your 5th sign will lead you towards the desired path and help you get enrolled in schools and colleges of your choice. Natives who are in love will get desired results this year. However, the beginning of the year will not be very favorable as you have wished it to be. But the time from April until September will prove to be very advantageous for your love life. During this time, both of you will remain smitten with each other and can even decide to get married. You will enjoy each and every moment with your lover and imbibe a sense of freshness and happiness from within. With this, both of you can also plan to go on a good journey. You have to take some precautions during mid-November because your love life can undergo stressful situations and your beloved's family will be the main cause of it all. In such a situation, you will need to give priority to your relationship while explaining things to your sweetheart. Disputes with your beloved can arise between June and July due to the unfavorable placement of planetary positions on your zodiac sign. Your excessive uses of a phone more than it is actually required will be the sole reason behind your arguments. In such a situation, keep your phone away as much as possible while you are meeting your partner. If we talk about your health, then Vedic astrology predictions state that your health will remain better than average since the aspect of planets won't give you any serious health problems. However, you will constantly feel tired and stressed out from time to time, due to which irritability in your nature will be seen clearly. Along with this, the presence of shadow planets Ketu and Rahu on your 2nd and 8th houses respectively can cause stomach related problems. You will have to take special care of your eating habits. Apart from some minor issues like blood problems, back pain, insomnia, gas, indigestion, etc., your health will remain majorly good this year. Moving on, we'll talk about your married life, which will remain intact until September. During this, your married life will also remain pretty blissful. Your child will gain achievements which will positively influence your marital life. Between April until mid of September, you will enjoy the company of your spouse. In such a situation, if possible, go out and plan your dinner with them or give them something special. If your spouse drives a vehicle, an accident is likely to take place, which is why you should take good care of them during this time. Also, if we talk about your domestic life, your family life is going to be a little less favorable this year because Saturn will be in the 4th house of your zodiac sign all throughout 2021. It will offer you the fruits of your actions. Due to this, a lack of familial happiness will be seen. During this time, you will find yourself extremely lonely and may have to go away from your home for certain reason. While away from home, you will fail to get the support of your family, and as a result, you will grow frustrated and a sense of irritability will be seen in your behavior. Even at your workplace, due to excessive work pressure, you will not be able to give the necessary time to your family. This can upset your family members. Before wrapping up the video, I will quickly give away some remedies which you can take into account during 2021 so as to make the year the best year of your life. The predictions state that you can wear a coral gemstone crafted in a gold or copper ring in the ring finger of your right hand. This will help you to get rid of blood-related disorders. To avoid diseases related to your rectum, it would be appropriate to adorn the Anant Mool root. You should also read the Sundarkand Path every Tuesday and Saturday. Reciting the Bajrang Ban daily will also prove to be very beneficial for you. Also, during this year, you can pay a visit to any Jyotirlingya along with your family members. It will be quite auspicious for you to organize the Rudra Abhishek of Lord Shiva once a year. You can also offer Argh to the Lord Sun regularly and bow your head and fold your hands in front of the Sun to remain at the receiving end of faithful results. So this is how you can make 2021 the best year of your life. I hope you have liked the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.